For this installation you'll need a trim tool. The low beams are the outside bulb in the headlight housing. Begin by opening the hood. Locate the low beam bulb. Turn the dust cover counterclockwise to remove it. Then turn the bulb counterclockwise to remove it. Use the trim tool to pull out the tabs on the plug and pull it off the bulb. Here is the clip. Plug in the LED and test it. This model is polarity sensitive, so if it does not turn on, flip the LED bulb connector 180 degrees and retest the bulb. Remember to align the 3 tabs upon installation. The pigtail will first be in the 10 o'clock position. Continue to twist clockwise until it is in the 12 o'clock position. Replace the dust cover and turn it clockwise. Now locate the passenger side low beam bulb. And repeat the same steps. We test the output with our light meter. The LED is more than 3 times brighter than the OEM bulb.